Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharina Awori, and today we are at the seaside in Salmiya, Kuwait. I'm going to be taking you through this whole journey with my favorite person on the camera. He's my producer, apparently. And I love him so much. But don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified once I upload a brand new video. I love you all. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. Guys, it's amazing. Guys, this place is so beautiful. This is the boat, I think, for the kids to play around. Where is this? That's the seaside. This is called the seaside, and you can see how beautiful. When you zoom in, that is the Kuwaiti Tower. One time I'm gonna be there. So basically the walkways are amazing, the trees, people take lots of photos. There are cafes there. There's been spots everywhere. This place is cool. The blue waters. You wearing a mask?
Yeah, I put it back on.
Finally someone is wearing a mask. So lots of people come here to do exercise, to work out, to feel good and all that. The beautiful rocks. This place is beautiful.